Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about products that make a difference in your beauty routine. Now, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked but is absolutely vital for your overall health: oral hygiene. I'm talking about the Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000 paired with the ProtectiveClean 6100 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. The importance of a good brushing and flossing routine can't be overstated, but finding a tool that really delivers is the challenge. If you're like me, you might want something that's not only effective, but also easy to use. Today, we're going to see how these two products stack up, from their performance to their ease of use, and ultimately if they're worth your investment. Let's start with the Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000. This is designed to give you healthier gums and a cleaner mouth by delivering up to 150% more effective results than traditional flossing. It uses something called a quad stream, which creates 4 wide streams of water that really get between your teeth and along the gum line. It's cordless and has a 14-day battery life, making it super convenient for travel or just daily use. Plus, you can even take it into the shower with you, which is a nice touch for busy mornings. Now, what really sets this flosser apart is its pulse wave technology. This is a feature that gently pulses water from tooth to tooth, helping guide you through the process to ensure you don't miss a spot. It's intuitive and helps me feel confident that my mouth is getting the deep clean it needs. The ProtectiveClean 6100 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush is another standout. With its 3 modes, clean, white, and gum care, it gives you the flexibility to personalize your brushing experience. The clean mode is great for everyday use, while the white mode is designed to help whiten teeth in just 1 week. If you're looking for more sensitive care, the gum care mode is gentle but still highly effective. Plus, the pressure sensor alerts you if you're brushing too hard, which can save your gums from unnecessary irritation. What really impressed me is the brush head replacement reminder. It's such a simple feature, but one that ensures your toothbrush is always giving you the most effective clean without you having to second guess when it's time for a change. So how did these products perform in my routine? I've been using them both for a couple of weeks now, and I can confidently say that my gums feel healthier and my teeth look noticeably whiter. The flosser is super easy to use, and I love how gentle yet effective it is. The toothbrush, on the other hand, has transformed my daily routine. It's easy to maneuver, the different modes cater to my specific needs, and I love how gentle it is on my gums. Of course, like any product, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. The flosser is a little bulkier compared to some manual options, so it might take up a bit more space in your bathroom. Also, while the toothbrush is great for most users, if you're someone who prefers a more intense brushing experience, you might find the settings a little too gentle at times. But when it comes to value for money, these two products are definitely worth the investment. The flosser is highly effective, and the toothbrush does everything you'd expect from a premium oral care tool, all while being easy to use and maintain. Plus, with the advanced features and long-lasting battery, they should be able to provide consistent results over the long term. Now, if you're thinking about alternatives, there are definitely a few electric toothbrushes and flossers out there that might come in at a lower price, but you'd likely be sacrificing on quality or features. These Philips products are on the higher end, but for good reason. They work, they're convenient, and they've made my dental routine feel like a breeze. To wrap things up, the Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000 and ProtectiveClean 6100 Electric Toothbrush deliver on their promises. They both help you maintain a cleaner mouth, healthier gums, and whiter teeth effortlessly. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance duo for your daily oral care routine, I definitely recommend giving them a try. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest reviews. If you're already itching to get these, check out the link in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.